Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Poco C3 and let me show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings, and here we have to tap on the wallpaper. And as you can see here, we've got some albums to choose the wallpaper from. First of all, we've got local photos, so after tapping on it, we will be transferred to the gallery and you will be able to pick your own photo and set it as a wallpaper. What's more, here we've got some pre-installed ones and live wallpapers, so if you will have any compatible files, they will appear right here and you will be able to set them as a wallpaper. What's more, if you've got the internet connection here, you've got the online wallpapers, so you can choose something from this list and set it as your own wallpaper without downloading or saving it. So let me pick something, for example this one. Simply tap on the option in order to check the preview, and as you can see here, we've got the preview of the lock screen, and if you are happy with your choice, just tap on apply. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it on the lock screen, home screen, or both, and I think I will pick both, so simply tap on the option and wait a second. Now let's get back to the home page, and as you can see, our new wallpaper has been immediately applied. Let's check the lock screen. It is also visible right here. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Xiaomi Poco C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.